Hey.
At the Missouri Welding Institute.
That's Rylan, and I'm Will. I'm gonna get some fun rooms out. Really helps with our nerves. It's Will and Rylan here with Missouri Welding Institute. We're here to snack and answer your questions. You guys have submitted a few questions on Instagram, and we're here to answer them for you. We're gonna try to make this like a weekly series, so keep those questions coming. Rylan, what do you got?
First question we got is, do you accept the GI Bill?
We do accept the GI Bill. All we need is a certificate of eligibility. We can verify your benefits and then get you started. It's that easy.
Next question we got from Instagram. How long is the program? And do you need any prior experience?
You don't need any prior experience. We have 3 different programs. The structural program is 11 weeks long. The pipe fitting program is 10 weeks long. And our main course is 18 weeks long. It is both pipe and structural. So the 11-week program is just structural. The 10-week program is just pipe fitting. And the 18-week program is MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core on both structural and pipe, and offers up to 9 certifications.
What was the easiest way to contact y'all? Like if I wanted to get started in classes.
1-800-667-5885. We are waiting by the phone from 8 to 4:30 Monday through Thursday, from 8 to 3 on Fridays.
Cost of schooling?
Depends on the course. Depends if you need housing. If you're interested in them, give us a call and we'll discuss that with you.
And I want to apply today. Where do I go to apply today?
Either give us a call, 1-800-667-5885, and we'll do it over the phone, or you can go to our website, MissouriWeldingInstitute.com, enroll now, fill out the application. It'll come right to my computer. I'll print it off and give you a call.
Age requirement?
17 with parents' consent. Other than that, 17 and up.
So supplies at the welding school, what all do you guys provide?
So when you start welding school, we're going to give you what we call a gear kit. It will have everything you need in it, all the way from a grinder down to gloves, grinding wheels, safety glasses, welding hood, lenses. Everything you need to get started will be issued to you the day you start welding school. And all of that is yours to take with you when you leave.
Are the welders supplied at the school?
Of course, we are a welding school. We supply the welding machines. The only thing you need to show up with is steel-toe boots and a good work ethic. Maybe some pants on, that help too.
Good answer. Associate's degree.
Go ahead. Associate's degree.
Here, this will be better. Associate's degree.
You don't need an associate's degree to be a welder. I could see where it could, be an advantage to you at some point in your life, but if you're just looking to get started and get your feet wet as a welder, make good money, go ahead and do it now. If you think you need an associate's degree later, you can always pay your way through college by welding. That's all the questions y'all had. We'll just quit eating snacks after this bag. See you next time.